If you're in college thinking about majoring in civil engineering, or going back to school to become an engineer, or even just an interested bystander who just so happens to randomly click on this video, hopefully this will answer some of your questions or even inspire you to become a civil engineer.
Honestly, Commissioner, I don't know anything about civil engineering.
Civil engineering not only includes your typical sexy stuff, like bridges, highways, stadiums, and towers, but also exotic things like wastewater lines or transportation engineering, soils engineering, and liking the video because all these words are getting us so excited. The idea behind civil engineering is to build an environment where people are more comfortable and can live more efficiently. It's all around you. Why does not the window fall down when I kick it? Civil engineering. Why don't we fall through the floor when we are jumping up and down? Civil engineering. Where did the human waste go? Into pipes that were civilly engineered. The field of civil engineering encompasses several specialized branches, each focusing on distinct aspects of the built environment. Some of the main branches of civil engineering include: this branch deals with the design and analysis of structures, such as buildings, bridges, and tunnels, ensuring their strength and stability. It involves the study of soil and rock mechanics to assess their suitability for construction and to design structures to withstand seismic forces and mitigating the impact of earthquakes on the built environment. This branch focuses on the application of engineering principles to protect and preserve the environment, including waste management, pollution control, and sustainable development. It is concerned with the design and maintenance of transportation systems, including roads, highways, and railways, to ensure safe and efficient movement of people and goods. This branch is dedicated to the planning and management of water-related projects, such as dams, pipelines, and flood control systems. It involves the planning, construction, and maintenance of structures, emphasizing project management and coordination. It deals also with the study of material strength and properties used in construction, including the selection of appropriate materials for specific projects. Is a crucial aspect of the civil engineering field, focusing on the planning, design, and development of various civil engineering projects. It involves creating and implementing practical solutions to improve the built environment and infrastructure. These branches represent the diverse and interdisciplinary nature of civil engineering, addressing various challenges related to the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure and the built environment. So why does a civil engineer do all this?
You know, he wants to bury you.
For a career in civil engineering, a range of skills is required that includes a combination of technical and soft skills. Civil engineers need to maintain up-to-date technical knowledge and skills, as these are the main skill sets that engineering recruiters look for. Possessing good problem-solving skills is crucial in engineering roles. Civil engineers must be able to identify, analyze, and solve complex problems, especially in urgent situations. Strong communication skills, both verbal and written, are essential for collaboration with team members, stakeholders, and other professionals. Being accurate and precise is vital for civil engineers. as every little detail matters in the planning, design, and construction of infrastructure. The ability to adapt to changing project requirements and environments is important for success in civil engineering. Civil engineers should possess leadership skills and the ability to work effectively in teams to manage and coordinate construction projects. The ability to come up with innovative solutions for difficult problems is an essential skill for a successful career in civil engineering. Building professional connections and networking with other industry leaders can open up new opportunities for civil engineers. A solid grasp of mathematics, including algebra, calculus, trigonometry, geometry, and statistics, is essential for civil engineering. These skills are essential for civil engineers to excel in their field, manage complex projects, and contribute to the successful completion of infrastructure and construction initiatives. I hope you find this video as understandable as your algebra session.
Worse than algebra?
Algebra, huh?
And that you'll learn something from it.
I learned nothing.
Well, stay tuned for part 2 because we're going to dive deeper.
Deeper.
And if this is your first time watching my videos, feel free to write your feedback in a comment below. And don't hesitate to like this video.
What makes you think this is my first time?
Stay safe.
To be continued.
To infinity